Subscribe and click on the bell icon to never miss a video on India Food Network.
Hi, this is Preetha and welcome back to Dakshin curry. A lot of grandmama's cooking seems to be kind of lost and I want to revive it, and hence I am going to share with you a very unique ladoo recipe made with Urad Dal. It's called Ulunthu Kali, very nutritious and very easy to prepare. Let's learn how to make it. So the first step for this is going to be preparing our Urad Dal flour, and for that we need to dry roast the Urad Dal. So I have a pan here and I am using around half a cup of Urad Dal. And now I am going to dry roast this till it turns pale brown in color. We don't want it to get too brown. Let's melt our jaggery. So I have another pan here and I am going to add some water. And along with that I am going to add jaggery. So we are going to add this. So for half cup of Urad Dal, we are going to add around 1 cup of jaggery. Now we are going to allow this to melt nicely. In the meanwhile, we will also keep a check on our Urad Dal. So our jaggery is also melted, so I am going to switch off the flame, and I am getting a nice aroma from the Urad Dal here. It's just starting to turn a pale brown. At this time, let's switch off the flame, allow it to cool, and then we are going to powder it. Now I already have some Urad Dal flour with me and I am going to use that. And now we are going to strain the jaggery. And now that this is strained, I am going to add a pinch of salt to this. Now in this I am going to add some cardamom and we will mix this nicely. Now that this is well mixed, we are going to add our Urad Dal flour little by little and mix it till there are no lumps. And you can see this has become nice and thick. At this stage I am going to add sesame seed oil. Around 1.5 tablespoons of oil is going to go in this. You have to do this till the entire mixture starts to swirl in the pan. Our Ulundhu Kali is ready. Allow this to cool down and then shape it into ladoos. So this has cooled down. It takes around 5 to 7 minutes. Now at this stage I am just going to take a little bit of sesame seed oil again, and I am going to start shaping these into small balls. So you can see this is really easy to make. It's a very unique recipe. You need to try it out, and if you have liked watching the video, do click on the like, share and subscribe button.